Today we will show you how to use Power Automate, which you have in Microsoft 365, meaning most people with standard licenses have it. The app is free and you can create most things there for free, provided it is not too complex. And if you don't know Power Automate, don't despair. There are templates available and you can actually start learning Power Automate easily using those templates. Today, we will show you a simple template directly in Power Automate. How do we get into it? We click on apps. We can go, for example, this way through all apps, Power Automate. And here on the left, we have templates. For our demonstration, I will choose this simple template, which is a notification and email when a new file is uploaded to OneDrive storage. Whenever we open a template and it asks us for a connection, we already have our account pre-prepared here, so we just sign in. And if we have green check marks there, we are signed in and can continue. So inside this template, we will adjust the parameters it requires from us. We will select a folder in OneDrive. I want the root one, the main one, and we will leave it set to default like this. You can play around with it as you need, but I think this simple setup will be enough for the demo. Here it just says not connected, so I will just connect it there, connected to notifications. And here we have another set of invalid parameters. So who do we want to send the email to? We want it to go to the company email. For example, I do not even want it to go to mine. I can optionally put my own test one there, whichever I want. You can put multiple emails there. Then, if we are working in a check environment, we will change these default messages to check. For this demonstration, it is not necessary, and in the subject line, it says that a new file has been uploaded to OneDrive for you, and the name of that file will be pulled in there. And furthermore, there is some text directly in the email message. You can translate it into Czech. And here you can see that the paths will always be dynamically filled in. This means it changes based on each individual file. Again, some advanced parameters, that is up to you. At this moment, I have everything filled in and I will click Save. If there were any error, it would be reported like this. The flow is ready and we can test it. So you would then test it by adding a file to OneDrive. At this moment, you would actually start testing and you would manually trigger it like this. And at the moment I had the file there, I would click test. The flow would run and send you notifications. If not, you then troubleshoot. So that is all. That is generally how templates work in Power Automate. Good luck with your creation.